Okay.
Man's best friend. This thing has proven to be true time and again. Undoubtedly, for as long as humans remember, dogs have been more than just faithful pets. They have been loyal companions, great workers, incredible teammates, and fearless protectors. Dogs make great pets and their loyalty is truly unmatched. They remain stubbornly faithful to thick and thin, standing by their humans no matter what. Their loyalty shines through countless stories of fearless dogs saving their owners through adverse situations and protecting them fiercely, even at the cost of their own lives. Many dog owners believe that their pets are sensitive to their feelings and are able to respond them. Work dogs are extremely dependable and diligent helpers, falling into various categories like serving dogs, therapy dogs, working dogs, police dogs, and herding dogs. Their contribution makes them invaluable partners in many fields. Having a dog in life is truly joy. A friend who always waits for your company, greets you with boundless excitement, and most importantly, doesn't judge you out.
Very good. Very well spoken. Very well read. Okay. Um, even your pronunciation was quite there. Okay. So very nice. Keep reading. Anyone else? Anyone else who would like to read? I want one more child. Yes, I can see. I can see a hand raised. Ajo beta, out. Come.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
One thing. Ma'am, kindly check out the direction of Burlock's camera because I think that it is not in proper
Yeah,
direction.
it is
So
still
we are
like
requested to follow this.
I cannot see all the students though, and I don't
Burlock.
have to see all, but I can only see a few. Like the two rows, the middle one, and one to my left. That is your right. I can see only those two, but I can see these two rows also.
So
Like
we are requested to check out the camera direction so that each and every one should point out. No?
I'm not able
Thank you,
to.
ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Burlock. Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Give me. I can know. I can see the ball. Up, please, Carlo. Yes, thank you very much for giving me the camera control. Now, there was another child who had raised his hand and who wanted to come out to read. Arjun, yes, this boy who's sitting in the front. Aja beta, fatafat, aja. Come. Very nice. Everybody read it. There are lots of words you're going to learn today. And we expect you to remember them and make them a part of your active vocabulary. That is the major goal. Okay, so here, start again, reading.
Man's best friend. This saying has proven to be true time and again. Undoubtedly, for as long as humans remember, dogs have been more than just faithful pets. They have been loyal companions, great workers, and credible teammates and fearless protectors. Dogs make great pets, and their loyalty is true unmatched.
Yes, very good.
And
It's unmatched.
standing
Loyal.
by
Yes, continue.
Standing by their humans, no matter what. Their loyalty shines through countless stories of fearless dogs saving their owners through adverse situations and protecting them fiercely, even at the cost of their own life. Many dogs owners believe that their pets are sensitive to their feelings and are able to respond to them. Work dogs are extremely dependable and diligent helpers falling into various categories like service dogs, therapy dogs, working dogs, police dogs, and herding dogs. Their contributions make them invaluable partners in many fields. Having a dog in life is truly joyful. A friend who always waits for your company, greets you with boundless excitement, and most importantly, doesn't judge you.
Yeah. So here there was a one mistake which I have to point out. It's diligent. Okay, diligent. not diligent. It is diligent. And anyone, any other child who has this doubt should be clear now. So it is diligent working. Yes. Now, what kind of questions can be asked on it? One thing is this: I have asked you to identify the adjectives that have been used for dogs. Quickly write down all the adjectives and think about questions which can be asked on this topic. I want you people to ask the questions. Okay, I can ask number of questions, but I want the questions to come from you. What kind of questions will come from you? Okay, so are you looking for adjectives? It shouldn't take more than like 1 minute to identify the adjectives. Read it and quickly write down. How many of you found adjectives? At least 2. Okay. Bharat Ratna, the girl sitting in the middle row was raised her hand. Ajo. Yes, come. Which adjective have you found?
Faithful and grateful.
Faithful, very good. Second is great.
Great.
Very good. Okay. Anybody else who has found any other adjective which is written for the dog? Okay, Bharat Ratna, this boy, first sitting on the first bench. Yes, you can come and tell us.
I'm fearless.
Very good. Fearless. Anybody else who has found another? Oh my God, the whole class is found. That's amazing. Okay.
I'm incredible.
Incredible. Very good. Okay. Incredible. Anybody else who has found any other? You can come forward and answer quickly. Okay, Arjuna. Arjun, middle row, that girl sitting on the third bench. Arjun, there's another girl who just leaned outside. You can both come and tell which.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am. Good afternoon.
yes,
Loyalty.
yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask that in few classes the camera control is shifting. Sometimes it is getting zoom. Is it from your side or from our side? It is not.
I don't think so. It's from our side. Just a minute. Let me just check it. I can see it, Arjun.
Like now we are focused on the front two girls.
Okay.
Earlier time it is stable at one place.
No, what they say is your camera is not stable.
I know I can't.
नहीं उनको बस ये पूछो कि your camera.
They are unable to make out which camera is unstable. So I am trying.
Let it keep rotating.
Yes.
Yeah, probably it is sensitive to the students who are sitting or raising hands. No?
Okay.
So let it be. It's running the entire class. It's
Yeah.
okay. You know, it suits us better.
Okay.
बस ये पूछना whether your camera is
Okay.
stable.
Are you people able to? Am I like stable? Like you can see me?
Yes, ma'am, you are stable, but our view that we are seeing, na, that is completely changing. Like in Aurora, you can see now the focus is on the
So
stream.
Yeah. If it is not bothering you, then I think so it's okay.
It's okay.
We can continue with the class.
Rather, it is
Yeah.
focusing on the children.
Yeah.
Uh.
So,
Yes.
yeah. If it is bothering, then I know we have to take some action. If it is okay with you, then I think so let us continue with the class. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for letting me know. Yeah. So what else? Which else is here? We have faithful, great, fearless, incredible. What else do we have here? Okay, Bharat Ratna, the whole class wants to talk. Arjun. Arjun, I can see a hand raised, only the hand raised. This boy who's standing, uske aage ek aur koi tha jiska haath dikh raha tha. Please come out. And there is this girl also. From the other side. Yes. Yes, please come out, that girl. Okay, you can tell me these more adjectives.
Loyalty.
Which one?
Loyal.
Okay, very good. Loyal. Yes, loyal. Then more. Anything?
Countless, fearless, adverse, own, many, theirs,
Okay. No, countless and all we are not doing yet. Yes, boundless. Boundless is this. Countless also. Yes. Sorry. I thought you said boundless. Okay. Fearless. Very good.
adverse,
Which one?
adverse,
I didn't get you. What are you trying to tell?
adverse,
Adverse. Okay. So all these things. Now, will you tell me the meaning of this, Faithful? Adverse. I'm only asking for which one. These are all like adjectives to have, but I said adjectives used for the dog. Okay, for the dog. That is why I got a little of this thing. So these are like adjectives which are used for the dog. So they are faithful, they are loyal, they are great, they are fearless, they are invaluable. Okay, so here we have invaluable. Now, what does faithful means? What is the meaning of faithful? Who will tell me? Invaluable. I just asked for all the adjectives which are used for the dog. So these are the adjectives which are used for the dog, including invaluable. Okay, they are invaluable. So obviously this is right. Okay. And here, this fearless. So these are all used for the dog. Okay. So what is here faithful means? Who will tell me the meaning? Faithful. Who's faithful? Use this word. Able house. Yes, who's faithful?
Ma'am, in Hindi we can say that faithful means ईमानदार.
Okay. ईमानदार ईमानदार तो नहीं कह सकते. Faithful is someone, anyone who can tell me in हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो. But yes.
जिस पे हम ट्रस्ट कर सके.
Yes.
जिस पे हम ट्रस्ट कर सके.
Yes, faithful. So basically, अगर loyal word use करें तो भी चलेगा. Okay. They are, you can say loyal. Someone who is faithful to you is loyal. So this is interchangeable. We can say they are both interchangeable, and loyal का like meaning faithful भी हो सकता है. Okay. So what is it basically? Someone who is devoted to you. Someone who is devoted. So you can also write devoted. Write down all these words. They are very important. You are learning these new words and how to use them. So they are devoted to you, and dogs are devoted to us. Okay. Once they accept us as their masters, as their owners, they are fiercely devoted to us. Okay. So we are loyal, devoted. Next, great. What does great means? What does great means? Yes. Okay. Something like able house. I can see someone on my right side. Somebody has raised the hand. So what does great means? Yes, that boy, please come out. Don't waste time.
मैम जो बहुत अच्छा हो.
हाँ, तो इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
Very nice.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Amazing. Yes, very good. Very good. So we want you to know more words in English also. Okay, very good. Very good attempts. Very nice. Great efforts. Now, next word. Next word is fearless. Everybody knows. जिसको डर नहीं लग रहा. So, Aurora House. Aurora House, your camera is moving. I can see on my, yes, on my left, that is your right, first bench, there's a boy who's raised his hand. So who is fearless? इसका तो आना चाहिए English word भी.
Ma'am, he is very brave.
Brave. Okay, someone who is very brave. Brave के साथ एक और Very easy word. हम बोलते ना, he's very okay. Arjun house on by the window. The row by the window. Middle में जो लड़की ने हाथ ऊपर किया हुआ है. Please आ जाओ. आ जाओ जल्दी से. Yes, yes, I'm talking to you. Please come fast. So brave and another word. It should you
Undaunted.
what?
Undaunted.
Someone who's brave. उसको क्या हम बोलेंगे? I'm sorry बच्चे. एक तो मुझे हाँ बोलो.
Mama, undaunted.
Yes, very good. Undaunted. That's a very good word. Very good word. Okay. Undaunted. Undaunted by, like, but one very easy word which everybody should know is courageous. So at least fearless, brave, courageous. You should know these three words. Okay. Undaunted by any circumstances. That means someone who stays strong without bothering about so the undaunted mighty Himalayas. So we say the undaunted mountains, like unko koi farak nahi padta, like they stay strong. So that is a word which can be used. Very good. Incredible. Okay. Incredible is like something which is magnificent. Yes. Okay. Able house. Able. I can see a hand, two hands raised, both on the first bench. You can come, both of you. You can come.
Fantastic.
Yes. Fantastic. Something that is really different. Fantastic.
Ma'am, wonderful.
Okay. Magnificent. Something which is magnificent, like totally different. Has anyone ever heard of a movie, The Incredible Melting Man? It was like it's a very old movie, but worth the watch. You should watch, okay? A man goes too near the sun and then he starts melting. Okay, so Incredible Melting Man. Science fiction, but very interesting. So here we have incredible. That was the first time I had heard this word. I was a kid. Okay, incredible. So it stays in my memory because of that. Yes. So here we have what else do we have? We have loyal. We can write faithful again. Someone who's loyal, who supports you. Something who supports, supportive. For loyal, you can write another word is supportive, dedicated. Dedicated. Someone who's dedicated to you. So faithful or loyal ke similar meanings hai. Okay. So you can interchange them. You can interchange them. So this is how we go by it. Very good. So here we have boundless ka matlab kya hota hai? They are also adjectives, but here they are not for the dog though. They are not for the dog. I had asked you. So what is boundless? Like, without any boundaries to a great extent. Okay. Fearless. Everybody knows someone who's without fear. So we have, we have done it. So invaluable, like something which is very, very expensive. Or it can be invaluable things, can also be like emotions, priceless. Something that is priceless. Okay. So all these things, all these beautiful words you have learned today. So how are you ever going to use them in your everyday talk? That is most important. Otherwise, you will forget them. You will not remember them. That is also for sure. So you have to remember them, and to remember them, you have to use them every day in some way or the other. And you will see you will be able to do it if you try. Okay. So amongst yourself, pick up topics and talk. Now today, I'll just ask you a few questions. Are you a dog person? Anyone? Okay. Anyone a dog person? In everyday language, dog person means a dog lover. People who love dogs. Many people don't like dogs. So are you a dog person? That means are you a dog lover or are you fond of dogs? So this way, like, this is like a common way to talk. Yes, Arjun, last row, last boy. Stand up and come and talk. Yes, Ajam, come. The child is sitting in the last. Come and tell me, what is it you like about dogs? And why do you call yourself a dog lover? Why?
Because they are loyal.
Because they are
Loyal.
loyal. Okay. And what about like, how do you show your affection for dogs? How do you show?
I am playing with dogs.
You are?
Playing with dogs.
You're crazy about dogs?
Playing.
You play with them. Okay, I don't want monosyllable. Monosyllable मतलब एक एक word नहीं चाहिए मुझे answer. I want like proper sentences. चलो अच्छे से answer दो. I know you are quite capable of answering me that way. Come on.
I am playing with dogs.
You play with dogs, even street dogs.
No.
Yeah. Like, what would a dog lover do? They will like, whenever they see a dog, what will they do? Whenever they see, even if it's like a stray dog, or even if it's a street dog, they'll pet the dog, or they will feed the dog. And if the dog is ever injured, they will see to it that they take care of the dog. Okay. They might like, take that dog to a veterinary, a vet, or bring, like, bandage the dog or feed the dog or do something. So dog lovers are there. They'll try to find a shelter for the dog, or they'll try to find a home for the dog. And there are some people who love dogs a lot and they do a lot of things for the dogs. Okay. So here we are. Now from what do you learn from this passage? You read today. So what qualities did you learn about the dog? There is something very specific in this passage. It is everything about the dogs. But what are the things? Different छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं बहुत सारी. What did you understand? एक बार read करो और फटाफट आ जाओ बताने. So should I erase this now? I'm sure you all have copied it down. I'm going to just erase this, okay? Anyone who wants it to stay can raise a hand, then I can keep it for 1 more minute. Otherwise, I'm going to erase it. So everybody is done with this? Okay, so I'm erasing it. Okay, here. Okay, I want a lot of talking happen here. What are the qualities? This passage talks about a dog, the qualities of a dog. This passage tells us. What are the qualities? Okay, Abel House, first bench, the child here, and Arjun House on by the window. 2 children have raised their hands. You can both come. Abel House, you first. Abel House will answer. Then both the children from Arjun House will give me the qualities they think a dog has. Yeah.
Ma'am, dog is faithful, great, fearless, loyal.
Okay. So yeah, that are all the adjectives we have used for them. But uska matlab they are fearless, they are great, they are faithful. But quality kya hai? What can they do? They are.
Ma'am, like we are in danger, they protect us from our enemy or who are attacking us.
See, there is a thing which says dogs make great pets, so they can be great pets. Okay. So one thing is great pets. What else? Yes, you are not wrong, but you're not putting your words in the way that is expected. Yes. They remain stubbornly faithful. Stubborn का मतलब क्या होता है? What does stubborn means? Now see, these are all adverbs. Jitne ly words हैं, words with ly in this passage, they are all adverbs. Okay? So they are all adverbs. See, you can also find adverbs here. Stubborn होता है, ढीठ जिसको बोलते हैं. Okay? So here it is not used in a negative manner. It is used in a positive manner. That they are stubborn, stubbornly faithful. Okay, मतलब fiercely, बहुत ज़्यादा. And through thick and thin. So बच्चे, the boy who was standing there who said they are very thick and thin का क्या मतलब हुआ? Thick and thin. So they are great pets, loyal, through thick and thin. What does thick and thin means? Yes. Okay. And those two girls who had come, will you tell me more qualities of a dog? Two girls who had come? Yes.
But the dogs, they believe us and they don't leave us.
Yes, they don't leave us. Okay. So they see, आप फिर से पढ़ो, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कैसे होते हैं. Like, dependable. You can depend on them. And diligent workers. Workers भी होते हैं. They are diligent workers. What do you mean by diligent workers? And before I move on to this, I want someone to tell me, thick and thin, what are they? So are they only pets? What is this saying? No, they are not only pets. They are also workers. कैसे काम करते हैं dogs? How do they work? Have you ever seen a dog working? Yes. Able House. A boy on my left. Okay, even you can come. The one who's sitting in the middle row. Ajo. Yes. What else do they do?
When they are working as armies, means Indian Army or any another army's pet, to like they smell and tell who is the thief or who.
Yes. Police dogs. Have you seen police dogs? Police dogs, army में हैं dogs. Okay. They work there. They help their teammates, like soldiers को help करते हैं to find out what. Army में and police में क्या find out करते हैं? They are specially trained. So what are they trained for? क्या help कर सकते हैं? Okay, very good. Arjun House. Arjun भाग क्या फटाफट. Arjun House and boy who's raised his hand. Yes, great. You know all the answers. Okay?
Sometimes we get
Thank you beta. They are trained to sniff. इनकी sense of smell बहुत अच्छी होती है. Dogs have great sense of smell. Okay, incredible sense of smell. So what do? They sniff explosives. They can sniff ammunition. Okay, उनको पता चलता है यहाँ पे है, like कहाँ पे है. So they can sniff all those things. And obviously, dogs have very great vision at night, and they obviously have great sense of smell and other stuff. Okay, so police dogs, bloodhounds, उनको हम सुंघा देते हैं कपड़ा. So they will take you to that person. Okay, you can give them they will sniff somebody's blood soaked clothes and they can find that person. So these are the ways they can track drugs, they can track people, they can track, and they're trained in this. They're given special training. So these sniffer dogs, they come even at the airports. Sometimes the airport people, they will take the dog around. The dogs go sniffing. Even they can sniff things inside the bag. And if the dog stops there, so this is the work dogs. They are all work dogs. Okay, so they work in police. What other work do they do? और क्या काम करते हैं dogs? Okay, they are in police and army. Very good. They do और भी बहुत सारे. Yes, I can see able house. Middle row, second, that boy. Why are you ducking your heads? Those two girls. Okay. Anyone else who knows what else job, what other things they can do? Yes. Arjun House, both, all three of you, I can see 3 hands raised. 2 girls and 1, I can't see the child. Aajo, Tino, Aajo. Let me know what other work they do. Arjun House on, yes, please, Aajo.
They guard a house.
They guard.
They guard a house.
Yes, they are guard dogs.
They are companions.
So they are guard dogs. Yes. Okay. They will guard a house, but specially trained guard dogs are also there. Okay, specially trained guard dogs are also there who will guard different kind of places. Okay. Then have you
They are companions and partners.
they are
Companions and partners.
companions and partners. Like, there are therapy dogs, there are service dogs. Service dogs help blind people and deaf people. Therapy dogs are taken to the hospital to patients, cancer patients and others. They go there and they take care of the people. Okay, so there are so many things you can do with this worksheet. Keep on thinking, read it, and you will find find all the adverbs, find other things, find the meanings, see how you can use them, and make questions for yourself. And you will see how much you have done. Because unfortunately, the time is up and I have to close down this. Okay, so